Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to blur video background in Premiere Pro. Here's opened a video footage to show you the process. First of all, open Effect panel and search here Gaussian blur. Drag this effect into the video footage. Now select the footage and go to Effect Controls. Select here Pen tool and now select main subject without the background. Now click on invert so everything will be blurred without selected area. Now increase blurriness from here. Increase mask feather. And here we can see background is blurred now. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.